At first, we need to go with the SPRO transaction, SPRO. And here you can see CxLink ABAP Suite by syntax. At first, we need to license the product. So click here. We need to generate a license request. In this case, you can put any name. For this case, CxLink. The file has been downloaded successfully, so we need to go to the CxLink hub. I'm already registered, and click on ABAP Suite. Click on License, and here in Documents, we want a new license. To get it, register a host, click to upload, and take the file. We already registered the file, so we need to download our license. The license is already downloaded. So go back to SAP, and now we need to activate the license. Select the file, run, and product successfully installed. License status, CxLink ABAP Suite, it's already licensed. Go back, and next step. In this case, we work with Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. In this case, I will only configure Amazon Web Services. The cloud provider was upgraded, and go back. When we work with different clouds, we need some certificates to work with it. To get it automatically, we can click here to install the OpenSSL or the wget. In this case, we already have it, so we don't need it. And clicking here, manually import certificates. This will download every certificate you need to work. Certificates for all active providers will be imported or updated. In this case, we'll only import AWS because we don't check Azure. Click on yes. It will take 30 seconds more or less, so I will cut this video. Okay, it's finished. You can see the certificates on the trust. So next step, schedule certificate job. You have this tool to import certificates, but if you want to have a job to import certificates every week, every day, whenever you want, you can here configure a job. It will take the name automatically, so you can click on continue, continue again. I want to define start date and time, continue. We will want to start 25 on Christmas. Period, every week, continue, and complete. The job saved and released. And our final step to configure this CxLink ABAP Suite product is maintain Internet Communication Framework. Here, this is important because to communicate with every cloud, we need a user, a service user. You can use your own, clicking here and select an existing user, writing your user, or you can create a new one. For example, I will create CxLink with his password and run. Here on the final step to configure the product, we can, here on the final step, to work with the CxLink App Suite, we need to communicate with every cloud. So for this, we need a service user. You can use your own or you can create a new one. If you want to use your own, you can write your own user, the password, and it will update the role, the permissions to use. On the other case, if you want to create a new one, you can write the password, run, and user created, profile has been correctly assigned, as an SICF node, AWS connector S3 activated. So with this, our product is completely configured.